Words in category 9 have an ending which is ment, meant, and it's quite a small category with about 38 or so words. So as an example, we could take moment, as you can see here, having that ment ending. Now the key to unlock these words is actually very easy. You just add an O onto the end of it, so it becomes mento. For example, moment would be momento. Moment, momento. Let's look at some other examples. How do you think you would say document? Remembering that moment went to momento, so try to say document in Spanish. Documento. What about element? Elemento. Fragment. Fragmento. Monument. Monumento. Segment. Segmento. Instrument. Instrumento. Cement. Cemento. Ornament. Ornamento. Experiment. Experimento. Torment. Tormento. Complement. Complemento. Let's incorporate this category of words now into some short phrases. How would you say, now is my moment? Ahora es mi momento. So now, if you remember the word for now was ahora, at the hour. Ahora, it is, es mi momento, my moment. How would you say, there is a document for him? Hay un documento para él. So there is, or there are, it's both I. A document, un documento, because it's masculine ending in O. So we have un documento. For him, para él. What about, it was a very big monument? Fue un monumento muy grande. So the word order is very important. First we say what it is, then we describe it. And it was, fue. It was a monument. Fue un monumento. Muy grande, very big. What about it wasn't the experiment? No fue el experimento. So it wasn't would be no fue. The experiment, el experimento. Again, experimento ending in O, so it's masculine. We have el here. Let's look at two false positives in this category which are important to be aware of. The first one is the word treatment. So you can see here ending in M-E-N-T, but somehow it just doesn't feel right. Like, how would you say it? Tratamiento or something like that. It doesn't fit, right? And the reason is that the actual word for treatment in Spanish is tratamiento. So try to remember or be aware of that particular false positive. That treatment, if you try to convert it, just doesn't feel right. And a lot of this comes with experience too. The more you practice cognates, the more you'll be able to feel if something it fits or it doesn't fit. And this one definitely feels wrong. And the reason is because the actual word is tratamiento. This second word both is and isn't a false positive, apartment, so ending in ment. And we do have apartamento, but what I hear much more often is departamento, like a department store, but they use that to describe what we would be considering as an apartment. So it's another important little thing to be aware of, that when you're talking about an apartment, very often they use the word in Spanish of departamento. So that's it for category 9, and I hope you're enjoying adding all of these new words to your Spanish vocabulary. After the next category, number 10, we're going to have a midterm revision video where we're going to combine them all together, and I think you're going to find that a lot of fun.